In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok app, and here let me show you first how to block someone. And all you have to do is open up the person's profile, hit a three dots icon, and then hit unblock to block that person for that specific TikTok account. And now here, if you want to unblock them, all you have to do is open up that person's TikTok profile, and right here just tap at unblock to unblock that person. But if you don't remember the exact person's username, you can do the following. You can go back here, then tap at profile, then hit a three lines icon and select settings and privacy. Next, hit on privacy, and there scroll down to the very bottom where you can find block accounts. Just hit on that, and there it shows you all blocked accounts, and you can in any time unblock them. Just hit there at unblock button in that simple way. Write down in the comments below if it helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.